Daddy, may I try avoid trouble at school? One more person that trouble me, and it's a girl.
What car is this now? Yeah, General, move over as we are saying about here what? The flash burner lift up now. And water seep under, that's why I get the leakage same way. Yeah, brother, I know I have a whole heap of things I deal with, but would I like if you just make some time and come deal with this to me. Remember, said the hurricane season not finished yet, you know. Yeah, man, would I appreciate that. Alright, I make sure I'm there. Yeah. Alright. Sure, man. Yeah, may I file a report, yeah? You see the camera where face outside to the road, it down. No, man, since about 4 o'clock this morning, I notice. Yeah, man. Alright. Just send it in for me and ask them if they can deal with it as soon as possible, yeah? Yeah, just that alone. Everything else, alright. No, I don't know what could have caused it. I don't know. Alright. Yeah, man. Just keep me posted if anything, yeah? Alright. I forgot to get one of them water tank here.
Mommy, I want to ask you one serious question. You have a house, no? So we shall salt keep. No more in the kitchen, mommy? No, but... Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. At the same place with the sugar there. Mommy, you see me with no cook brown in the back of your yard? Then I must in the freezer chicken, mommy? You don't have to call me for every single thing, mommy. No, I'm not getting an attitude. Alright, mommy. Mommy, you have the house to yourself. If you can't find it, just look. Just look. At your place now. Mm-hmm. Alright. Later. I love you too. Want to me never stress me out. Not stress me out too. Fine.
Oi, are you me come to, you know?
Danny, you can just come park outside here and then contact me. That's nice. Panagan. I know some can't do with the two of them in that one, you know.
So, Lily girl, for your left country and come a town, you feel like you're a big woman. Hmm? You turn big time mama beater. Hmm?
Mama Beta. Daddy, I want to get that
No
from.
tell me backside. You mama tell me say you come down there, lick her down a dirty, grab her by her head and a haul her all part of the community. That all people are beg you and you lick down the people them too.
Oh, Jesus. Daddy, Mommy did tell us say, me go down there because the hurricane a come, and me go down there and me do a hold the pan her hand and try to get her out of the house because she refused to come out there. The roof a come off of the house and lady stand up and look up in the sky and talk about prayer about help her. Me didn't need to get her out of the house, so I did what I had to. And me never drag her by her ear. Man, wicked. Daddy, you really believe that?
Believe kill and believe broke out sore. Honor your mama and your papa that your days may be longer. You're lucky the hurricane will blow your cloth down there too.
Mommy safe and sound at me hand. First things first, you did ask mommy who see me a man angler. Me never hold her by her ear, me never maul her, me never jar nowhere. All me do is hold her by her hand, take up her things them and exit the house. Once again, ask her who see me I do her them something down there.
Hold on. What party are you telling?
Nobody down there now fi tell me nothing. Your mama call me and tell me how you come down there. I bark after her like pit bull. Mad fi charge her up. Me no even know say this woman have me number. Are you give her me number?
Why am I give my mother your number, Daddy?
What do you mean?